Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook ribs in the oven. First, you'll want to prepare your ribs by removing the thin membrane from the bone side. This simple step ensures a more tender bite. Next, apply your favorite dry rub generously, making sure to cover all surfaces. This builds a fantastic flavor base. Finally, preheat your oven to a low and slow 275 degrees Fahrenheit, setting the stage for perfectly cooked ribs. Now, let's get those ribs cooking. Once seasoned, place them bone side down on a sturdy baking sheet. The key to tender, fall-off-the-bone ribs in the oven is to cover them tightly with aluminum foil. This creates a steamy environment, locking in moisture and flavor. Bake them at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2.5 to 3 hours. This low and slow method is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. After their initial bake, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully remove the foil and drain any accumulated liquid from the pan. This prevents the ribs from steaming too much in the next stage. Now, generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce over both sides of the ribs. For that perfect caramelized crust, increase your oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This higher heat will help the sauce set beautifully. With the oven now hotter, place the sauced ribs back in for another 15 to 20 minutes. Keep a close eye on them to achieve that lovely caramelization without burning the sauce. Once they've reached your desired stickiness, remove them from the oven. It's important to let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Enjoy your perfectly cooked oven ribs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.